Okay, let's dive right in. Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're revealing what is basically a cheat code for making your website visible to AI search engines, like ChatGPT and Google's AI overviews. If you've been watching your traditional organic traffic slip lately, and you're kind of wondering, hey, where did everybody go? Well, the truth is they haven't vanished. They're just being intercepted by large language models. So today, we're breaking down the exact playbook for getting your content extracted, cited, and most importantly, clicked in this completely new ecosystem.
We've got a seriously packed agenda today. We'll be moving from the new reality of AI search right down to the exact metadata configurations you need to win. We're covering 1. The AI search shift. 2. Schema, the LLM translator. 3. Crucial schemas, FAQ and article. 4. The metadata mandate. And wrapping up with 5. Winning the citation economy.
All right, let's hit part 1. The AI search shift, clicks to citations.
Let's kick things off by looking at how the entire search landscape has fundamentally shifted right beneath our feet. A staggering 75%, 3 out of every 4 Google AI Mode sessions end without a single external visit to a website. Let that sink in for a second. 3/4 of users are getting their answers synthesized and served directly on the results page. They never click a link. So if you aren't the source actively feeding that synthesized answer to the AI, you simply don't exist to that user.
And honestly, this brilliantly illustrates our new rulebook. Just shy of 68%, 67.82% to be exact, of sources cited by Google's AI don't even rank in the traditional top 10 search results for that same query. No way, right? This completely shatters the old SEO assumption that you have to rank number 1 to be seen. AI models, they don't rank whole pages. Instead, they pick out specific passages to build a confident answer. You're no longer competing for a blue link. You're competing for a share of answer.
Think of it like moving from a high school popularity contest to, say, publishing an academic paper. We're transitioning from traditional SEO, where you just needed clicks and keyword density to win that popularity contest, to AI SEO. In this new world, you're trying to get cited as a trusted source. If you aren't perfectly optimized to be extracted and cited as a factual answer, you're invisible. The goal isn't just driving traffic anymore, it's earning a direct mention or link right within the AI's response.
Moving on to section 2, schema, the LLM translator.
So how do we actually get cited? Well, we have to speak the machine's language. Large language models don't read web pages like you or I do. They don't care about your beautiful design or your clever narrative flow. When they look at your site, they are tokenizing, parsing, and extracting discrete chunks of text. If your perfectly crafted answer is buried deep inside a 10-paragraph story, an LLM is going to struggle to parse it. It doesn't have the time or, frankly, the computing desire to figure out your context, so it'll likely just skip right over you for a source that spoon-feeds it the facts.
And this is exactly why schema markup is the ultimate translator. It acts as a digital identity card for your website. Think about it. Without schema, an AI system is forced to guess your meaning based on layout alone. If it sees a block of numbers, is that a product price? A phone number? A founding year? It literally has to guess. But with schema, you remove all that ambiguity. You state explicitly what the content is, who created it, and when it was last updated. You're giving the AI the exact structured context it needs to trust you.
Now notice how each schema type acts as a specific trigger for an AI extraction pattern. Each one improves citation rates for very specific queries. If a user asks an AI to compare laptop prices, the AI actively hunts for product schema. If it needs to validate who your company is, it looks for organization schema. These structured tags tell the AI, hey, you found exactly what you're looking for. But to really dominate AI citations and get your content featured as the definitive answer, you've got to focus heavily on 2 specific types.
Which brings us to section 3, crucial schemas, FAQ and article. Let's see how this all builds when we focus on the 2 highest leveraged schemas for answer engine optimization, FAQ page and article. FAQ schema is absolutely vital because it mirrors conversational AI queries perfectly. When users prompt an AI, they're asking direct questions. If your FAQ markup provides the exact question they asked, paired with a tight, factual answer, boom, direct hit. Meanwhile, article schema provides the expertise, experience, authority, and trust, EEAT, that the AI needs to feel safe quoting you. AI systems are terrified of hallucinations, so they lean heavily on the author verification built into article schema. Oh, and don't forget speakable schema, which is a great way to target the 62% of searches that are now incorporating voice.
But here is the crazy part. Despite how insanely powerful this is,
Research shows that a shockingly low 10.5% of AI-cited pages actually use FAQ schema properly. Almost no one is doing this yet. It's a massive arbitrage opportunity for early adopters. If you start implementing clean FAQ page markup right now, markup that genuinely answers common user questions, you can literally jump the queue and secure those citations before your competitors even know what hit them.
All right, Section 4, the metadata mandate.
But here is the climax of our playbook. Just turning a schema plugin on? Not going to cut it. You must follow what we call the metadata mandate. A massive 730-site study by Growth Marshall reveals that having poorly populated generic schema actually hurts you more than having no schema at all. Just look at the data here. Fully populated schema yields an impressive 61.7% citation rate. But if your schema is generic or empty, your citation rate plummets to 41.6%. It is literally worse than having nothing. Think about how many websites just install a basic SEO plugin, leave the default settings, and walk away. By leaving those fields blank, you are actively signaling to the language model that your site is lazy, incomplete, and untrustworthy, and that triggers an 18-point penalty in AI citation rates. An 18-point penalty is a massive blow in a landscape where only a handful of sources even get cited per query. Basically, you have to do it right or skip it entirely. So to dominate, you must fully populate your metadata. First, write a clear, descriptive headline and description that summarizes the exact value of the page. Second, link to a verified author. Remember EEAT? The AI needs to know a real expert wrote this. And crucially, absolutely crucially, include the exact date-modified field. AI models have a huge bias toward fresh, updated information, especially for stuff like pricing or software tools. If your date-modified field is stale or missing, the AI will just pass you over for a newer alternative.
Finally, Section 5, winning the citation economy.
Let's bring this whole shebang together so you can start winning. It's all about combining content structure with technical access. First up, open your doors. Check your site's robots file and ensure you are explicitly allowing AI bots, like OpenAI's search bot, to crawl your site. Next, use the Index Now protocol. This pings search engines the second you publish or update content, getting you into Bing and ChatGPT's live search in hours instead of weeks. Third, structure your human-readable text. Put tight 40 to 60-word answer blocks right under your headings. Keep these chunks to around 100 to 300 tokens so the bot can cleanly lift your answer without distorting it. And finally, fully populate your JSON LD schema templates, filling in every single metadata blank. The rules of discovery have fundamentally changed, guys. It is time to reevaluate your entire digital foundation. Ask yourself, is your website still just built to chase traditional blue links, or is it meticulously engineered to earn AI citations? The machines are actively looking for structured, reliable answers right now. You just need to make sure you're the one providing them. Thanks for joining me on this explainer. Now go check your schema.